Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam. REDTIGER brings to you dual dash cam which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K, 3840*2160p, plus FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degree and rear wide angle of 140 degree. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collision to retain and present evidence. The REDTIGER driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture in 6 layers, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture key details clearly under low-light conditions. You just need to connect the dash cam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the REDTIGER Cam app to view, playback, and manage the dash cam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit recordings in the REDTIGER Cam app. By just one click you can share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Dashcam with GPS. REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam offers dual-channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840x2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1920x1080p at 30 fps footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140 degrees angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dash cam. Equipped with a Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 image sensor for the front camera, this dash cam delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the front camera's f1.5 aperture and the rear camera's f1.8 aperture allow more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer recordings, particularly in low-light environments. With its built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can use the ROVE Dash Cam app to view and manage dash cam recordings instantly on your iPhone and Android smartphone. By using the ROVE app, download your recorded videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 20 megabytes per second and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. With our 2-4K Pro Dash Cam, you can connect your iPhone, iOS, or Android smartphone using the latest dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi feature. With our advanced ROVE Dash Cam app, you can easily view, download, and share your best videos with your friends and family with just one click on social media or using any messenger. You can even set up all the settings of your dash camera within our app. We provide over-the-air firmware updates using our app for free. Our 2-4K Pro is built-in GPS, which records and allows you to view real-time live speed and compass on the LCD. It records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly on the video as additional evidence. Our 2-4K Pro dashboard camera is a super capacitor car camera, extends product life significantly, voice guidance and alerts, Sony IMX335 CMOS sensor, f1.5 aperture, allows more light capture for small details, time-lapse video, 150 degrees wide-angle 6-glass lens, emergency video lock, ring of threads for optional CPL filter, loop recording. G-sensor, supports micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice so much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, 6-glass lens plus f1.5 aperture plus Sony IMX335, helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low-light conditions. Use the ROVE app to view and manage dash cam recordings instantly on your iPhone, iOS, or Android smartphone. Download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 6 megabytes per second, and easily share them on social media with friends and family. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. You can view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our GPS player. We provide free firmware upgrades for this car camera, allowing you to enjoy hassle-free over-the-air updates via the ROVE app. The car dashboard camera comes with a built-in supercapacitor, f1.5 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150 degrees A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, supports up to 512 GB Class 10U 3-speed micro SD card. Number 5. REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam. Universal car dash cam with FHD 1080p rear and 4K Super HD front cameras. The REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam front and rear camera captures in-depth footage while driving thanks to its f1.5 aperture, excellent night vision, and 170 degrees wide angle. For real-time video, recorded video playback and GPS information, connect to the REDTIGER app with the built-in Wi-Fi within 5 meters. Instead of using buttons, you can effortlessly control the dash camera with the app. When the G-sensor is triggered, video files are automatically saved and locked. This REDTIGER dash camera for cars can record even while parking with a 48-hour parking monitor, * extra hardwire kit needed, which keeps the automobile secure. REDTIGER dashcam front and rear camera comes with a 32 GB card and support up to 256 GB cards. When the memory is full, the oldest video is automatically overwritten to make room for fresh recordings. The F9 dashboard camera will automatically turn on while you are driving thanks to a supercapacitor. The one-click lock and unlock video function and a unique bracket design make the REDTIGER dashcam easy to use and remove.